this particular video, we'll be doing a project that would convert a PDF into an audiobook. And so you might have seen packages online that would allow you to convert a PDF or text into audio. In this particular video, I want to show you how to do it actually, and we'll be doing with some example that I have already created. And so I've made this PDF. So this is a PDF file, and it just has one page, as you can see there. I created this with Microsoft Word actually, and then I typed it and then saved it as PDF. And so the file, it's in this particular location that I am now, and so it's saved as this. And so that's what we'll be using to test this code. And so let's get to the code first. So in the code, first we import the packages, and so we'll use the GTTS, which is a Google API package for converting text into sound or speech. And we'll also be using a Python package for reading PDFs, and that will be PyPDF2. And those are the two packages that we just need to do this project. Next is to write a function that would allow us to convert this text into speech. And so we'll start that by doing the define, and we'll give the function name, and in this case we're calling it a PDF to audio, and we'll provide to read as input the PDF file. Okay, it could be the path to where the PDF is, or you could leave it at your location and just provide the name. And so first, because we want to be able to catch errors easily, we'll do the try box. And so we'll try and we'll read the PDF. Let's see. And to read the PDF, as you already know in my previous videos, you just need to open. So you just do with open and then provide the PDF file. In this case, we'll be using the input here, and we'll be doing it as to read, and we could provide the binary option as file. So now it's now alias to file, and now we could operate on the file, and we could just do the PDF2, which is this package was imported here, and then we could do the reader, and we could pass in this particular file, which is this what we alias here. Now we have the reader, and once we have that, we could catch the text, and the text could just initiate it as a string. That's just what we have here. And after that, we'll go through all the pages. So assuming the PDF document had several pages, you need to go through each of the pages and extract those texts. That's the first step. In this case, we just have one page just for this tutorial, but you could test it on 100 pages. It will just take a little longer, not up to 1 minute though. But yeah, just for test case, I just left it as one page because I didn't want to type that much. Okay, so now we'll go through all the pages, but if there's no many pages, you just stay in the first page, and we'll grab the text. We'll just extract the text from each of the page, and we'll add it back to this string, this variable that we initiated here called text. And in this case, I'm even asking it to print the text back so that we'll see what it is doing. And next is now to produce a sound from this text now that we have gotten the text. And so for that, again, we'll be using this particular package, the GTTS. And to do that, you just need to provide a text read as text. So the variable is text, and we're passing in information as text. And you provide English in this, language. In this case, we're providing that's English. Okay, you don't have, sadly, don't have the option to provide the voice type, like whether it's a male or female, or the pitch or volume. But I think it's a good start. You could, if you, this is completely free. That's why I'm going for it with this. If you have money, you could go for other packages that give you that flexibility. Okay, now that we have this will already, once we provide this, it converts this, and this is now sound. And now we could save it as mp3, and we could give it any name. In this case, I'm just calling it audiobook.mp3. So this is the file we're looking for, and it will be saved in the current working directory. And then once it's done, it will print that it's ready, and that's just what we have there. And since we use the try box, we could do the except just to see which other possible errors that could come out, and here I just return the two possible errors that we could catch. Next is to call the function, and first let's define the PDF file. So this is the name as I showed you earlier here, so I just defined that, and next we'll call the function, and the function was this particular one which is what to define here, and we're providing this PDF file to read, and that is it. So if we run this now, before running that, let me just add something here. I'll just put an F, so I just do print F and tell it the content of the PDF file is as follows, and I'll just do there so that we could know exactly what is printed on the screen. Okay, now we have that. I will just zoom in a little bit for people that haven't have time to see. And if I run this here, I could just save that and run. I don't really need to save it. And on this window, the command line, you can see it running here. It has finished running already, so it has already converted it and saved it into this particular file. And this was this statement that I added on, and this is the content of the PDF. And you could just verify that yeah, it makes sense. Okay, and so we'll have the file. Let's play the file. I've already opened the file down here, and so if we play this is what it looks like.
Unlock the power of Python projects with Bernard. Welcome to a world where Python meets creativity. On my YouTube channel, I share step-by-step tutorials on Python projects that are simple, fun, and practical, just like turning this PDF into an audiobook. Why should you subscribe? Learn Python in action, from beginner-friendly projects to advanced applications. There's something for everyone. Boost your skills. Master real-world coding by building projects you can use and showcase. Join a community. Be part of a growing group of learners and enthusiasts just like you. Hit that subscribe button now and take your Python skills to the next level. Let's build something amazing together.
Great, so that's it. And I hope this was useful. So you could basically provide any PDF, and at the end of the day you have the audio of that particular PDF. So it could be your handout in school, it could be your notes in school that you're tired of reading. You just provide it to this particular script, and you run it on your computer and then sleep somewhere or do something, and then you hear it speak out loud for you. Please subscribe for more videos, and also check out my other videos. I basically post on Python projects that have the potential of making you money. So